Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Cook, Create and Enjoy. Today I'm going to show you how I make chicken mince, chicken keema. So let's get started. Here I have taken 800 grams of chicken mince and I'm adding red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt to taste, garam masala powder, dhania powder, that's coriander powder, green chilies, and some curry leaves, lots of coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, and a tablespoon of oil. Mix all the ingredients well. Keep it aside for at least 20 to 30 minutes. Now here I have taken a flat pan and added around 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 big cardamom, 2 bay leaves. Saute them in oil for a few seconds. Add chopped onions, saute the onions for around 2 to 3 minutes. Add turmeric, half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Do not add more because we already added ginger garlic paste during marination. Here I'm adding some mint leaves, let it cook until all the raw smell of ginger garlic paste is gone, and then we're gonna add the marinated chicken mince and mix it well with the onions. After mixing well, we're gonna cover it with a lid and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. And until then, we're gonna prepare the main ingredient that goes into it. That's poppy seeds, dry coconut powder, and kasuri methi together. I have grinded it and I'm mixing it with yogurt. I'm gonna add here a little water. Mix well and keep it aside. And after 5 to 7 minutes, open the lid. Mix the chicken mince. Here we see the moisture from the chicken mince is released, and we need to use a little pressure to mix the mince properly. Now here I'm gonna add the mixture of yogurt with poppy seeds, coconut and kasuri methi. Close the lid and let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes on a medium flame. After a while, open the lid and mix the ingredients well again. At this point, I'm gonna add some lime juice. And let it cook for 5 more minutes with the lid open. And once it's nicely cooked, at the end we're gonna add some coriander leaves, and delicious chicken mince is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel.